Good evening. This is Mrs. Girot, and I didn't want you to start your weekend without making sure that you know exactly what you need to do to be all caught up by the time Monday starts. So, if you go into the plan, this is how I recommend you stay caught up in this class and on track. I prefer the week view personally. It shows everything in a bird's eye view, and you can go back and forth between the weeks. And you can also click here and make sure that you have show all calendars so that you can see all of your classes at one time on your plan. But for this class, you'll notice on Wednesday there was a welcome video in the plan, and if you click more, it will take you right to that video, and then you can follow your breadcrumb trail back, and you can see that we had our first class on Wednesday. If you click more, isn't that cool? It says if you miss class, watch the recording and review the vocabulary terms below. There's that recording and there's the vocabulary. And for the exit ticket, it says to complete the 1.02 and 1.04 quizzes, and it has links that'll take you right there. We also have our fine arts curriculum going, and it will be pretty much every day. So stay caught up on it so that you don't fall behind. So like we did units 1.01, 2, and 4 on Wednesday, 5 and 6 yesterday, and today you were supposed to have done 9 and 10. And if you look at the schedule, next Monday you've got 11 and 12 scheduled, 15 scheduled, there's a review, and then you'll take the test. So it comes pretty rigorously, so make sure that you're keeping caught up on that. We will have class again next Wednesday at 3 p.m. and we'll also next week be officially starting Project 1. You can click here to get some more information about that, to read the directions and see what the rubric is. You're basically just creating a bust that's Baroque in style, meaning that it is highly expressive. And then after you sculpt your bust, you will light it up so that you get these nice contrasts between light and shadow. And then you will sketch that light and shadow effect, which is called chiaroscuro, the contrast between dark and light. All right, and then you'll be submitting that to the Dropbox when you finish with that. Let's take a look at the plan to see when it's due. It is not due here if you keep going. You'll notice that the Baroque project goes all the way until Tuesday. So since it ends on the plan on Tuesday, that means that the due date is Tuesday the 30th. That will allow us to start fresh again when we meet again on Wednesday in week 3, and you will go right back to learning art history. So that is just kind of what we've got set up right now for the class, and I just want to make sure you don't fall behind. Have a great week.